good morning, or should I say good day. I'm here with my friend Debbie. She's asked me to come up and look at her roof. She's got some problems. She said some of her roof tiles have come off. And I said, what do you mean, Debbie? I'll come and have a look. Let's have a look at these, Debbie. What's happening is some of these tiles have come off, so we're gonna have a little fixing problem here. What I'm going to do is get down here and have a look. And we want to replace these because when the rain comes down here, it's just like, it's as bad as wallabies coming down. So we want to make sure we've done a good job and fix this. Right, Debbie?
Right, Jeremy.
That's right.
Okay.
So now I'm going to take my little dungaree digger, slide it under the shingles and start to pry it up. What we want to do is lift these little tacks on. Now we're going to pull this roof tile off. There it comes. Get ready for the new one. Take the new one. Slide it under. There we go. Good as new. So now I've got my old shingle here. We need to cut a piece. So get out my trusty knife. He said, have you got a knife? I said, that's a knife. She said, that's not a knife. That's a knife. So now we're going to take our golf tees, stick them under, take our basher, bash them into place. Crikey, look at that beauty. So now we take our roux grease and just stick it under. Look at that poo coming out. Oh boy. We want to fill up under this tab and it sticks down. Just like on a hot sunny day. Look at that beauty. Oh yes. Now she's down like a beauty. Crikey. What do you think of that, Debbie?
I am Debbie.
Good. Go on, Debbie, bash those in. What do you have to say, Debbie?
Hi, I'm Debbie.
There we go, all replaced. She's a beauty. They're not the same color, but who cares? You can't see it up here. Look at that. Good as new. Now we'll wait for the next rainstorm. And that's it. Another hard day's work done. I think I'll go and get Debbie to put a shrimp on the barbie. What do you say, Debbie?
Hi, I'm Debbie.
I'm gonna have a Foster's. Have a great day.